What percentage grade should a road have if the angle of elevation of the road is 2 degrees? So this one's kind of tough if you haven't dealt with this material before. They give you a little explanation underneath. They say a 5% grade means that the road rises 5 feet for every 100 feet that we travel, right? So you got a car rising up a road. So if you travel 100 feet, you've gone 5 feet more, like vertically. Yeah, I guess that's everything there. Okay, so for this one, we're supposed to find the percentage grade if the elevation is 2 degrees. So I'm going to put a 2-degree angle in here, and then we're trying to find that percentage grade, which means we're doing it for every 100 feet horizontal distance. So I'm putting 100 here. And what we really need to know is this vertical distance, like we drew in that last example, the 5 feet out of 100. So we can use trigonometry to help us with that because we got tangent to help us out. Tangent can help us find the opposite because we have the adjacent side. And just make sure your calculator's in degrees when you do this. Tangent of 2 degrees equals that opposite side that we don't know. We'd like to know that so we can come up with our percentage. Divide by the adjacent. So if we pull out a calculator, you got 2. Oh, I'm in radians, so I'm going to click this to change it to degrees. And then hit trig, and then hit tangent. So that gives, that evaluates tangent of 2 degrees at 0. I'm not going to try to write that out. And then in order to get x by itself, we got to multiply both sides of the equation by 100. Okay? So 100 times x over 100, those cross cancel. Then we got 100 times this. That makes 3.49208. So how many feet is it to 2 decimal places? It's 3.4. Oh, sorry. This is 3.49 feet. But to find the percentage, you divide it by that 100 feet traveled. Okay, so after you solve for x, not quite done. Okay, you just got to divide by 100 because that's what they said is how they calculate percentage grade, right? 5% means 5 out of 100. You go up 5 to the right 100. We went up 3.49208 out of 100. And when you punch that in your calculator, it's just going to give us what we had before, 0.03492. So as a percentage, that's 3.49%. Okay? If you divide this by 100, this is the decimal form of the percentage. And then if you convert it to a percent by moving the decimal 2 places to the left, that's 3.49%.